Hey guys, let's understand this problem which says the circumference of the base of a 10-meter height conical tent is 44 meters. Calculate the length of the canvas required if the width of the canvas is 2 meter. As you know that the canvas is going to be in the shape of rectangle. The width of canvas is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. And you need to calculate this, which is the length of this canvas. And you know that this conical tent is being made with the help of canvas. So here what you'll do, you'll calculate the curved surface area of the tent and then you'll equate this with the area of this rectangle or the area of this canvas so that you can easily calculate the length of this canvas. So here let's calculate the area of canvas. Area of canvas is, as you can see here, this is going to be length into breadth, so L into 2. So this is going to be 12 meter square. This is the area of the canvas, and you know that this conical tent is being made with the help of this. So the area required to make this conical tent will be, let's write down, curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cone, which is the area required. This is pi r L. And in this equation you need to know the radius as well as the slant height. First of all, let's see what you have been given. You have been given that the circumference of the base of 10-meter height conical tent is 44 meter. So you know the value of h, which is height of 10 meter, and you know the circumference of the base, and you know that circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Let's equate this with 44 meters because you know that circumference is 44 meter. So from this equation you are going to calculate the value for L. Let's put the value for pi, which is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 will get cancelled out and you will get radius as 7 meter. Now you know the value for L, you know the value for h. Let's calculate slant height, which is going to be 10 whole square plus 7 whole square. This is going to be 149. Let's keep this as it is. Now you need to calculate this curved surface area, which is 22 by 7. Radius, as you know, this is coming out to be 7. Length is root 149. Now 7 and 7 will get cancelled out and you will get this. After this, what you will do, you will equate this area, which is in meter square, with the area of this canvas. So you can write here 22 root 149 is equal to 2 into L. When 2 will divide 22, you will get 11, and this length is going to be 11 into root 149, and this will be in meter. Now what you will do, let's calculate the value for this root 149 and then multiply this with 11, then you will get the length of this canvas. I really hope there should be no doubt. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.